important cue card and it is difficult. I know that. I'll give you the idea and you can expand because you are very not, when I'm teaching, people are not clear with this, the children. So, what is it? Describe a risk, something that you were not willing to do, but you took that risk. You took and that you thought would lead to terrible result. So, it could be very bad, it could be terrible, something, there could be a loss, something like that, but ended with positive result. So this is important that you have to add that it was positive, you took the risk. Now what it was, why you took it, what the result was, and how you felt about it. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe to this. It is run by an ex-IELTS examiner, and of course just you get genuine guidance. And please like and share. One share can make a difference to some student. They really want genuine guidance. Again, this is a 9-band answer, and you can choose whatever you want. So the idea here is that I gave my cell phone to a stranger, and I thought it is really going to be very risky. So here is the one risky decision or one difficult decision that I made, and I initially feared, that means initially you were fearful, would lead to disastrous consequences, but turned out surprisingly well as entrusting my cell phone to a stranger. So note down interesting and disastrous. I'll be repeating some of the vocab so that you can just note down. The situation arose when I found myself stranded in an unfamiliar city. Stranded means आप कहीं गए और आपको मालूम नहीं पता चल रहा था कि कहाँ जाऊँ, और आपके पास तो GPS भी नहीं था. तो किसी stranger को you gave your phone to some stranger so that he could download that GPS app, and you were really fearful. Okay, now the situation rose when it was the situation. Always build a story. I'm not tech savvy, that means I'm not very good at technology, and I was lost with no idea how to reach my destination. हो जाता है ना कि पता ही नहीं लगता अब क्या करेंगे, जाना है कहीं पे. I am not tech savvy and I was lost with no idea. Okay, feeling desperate means आप घबरा जाते हो ना. I approached a passerby, कोई जा रहा था, and asked for directions. Despite my apprehension, I decided to take a leap of faith. है ना, तो उसने फोन मांगा, है ना. आई ट्राई टू टेक अ लीप ऑफ फेथ एंड हैंड ओवर माई फोन टू द स्ट्रेंजर. तो आपने क्या किया, आपने हैंड ओवर कर दिया स्ट्रेंजर को, होपिंग दे वुड हेल्प मी टू नेविगेट टू माई डेस्टिनेशन. यहाँ होप किया कि वो ही विल मेक मी रीच माई डेस्टिनेशन. इट वॉज अ नर्व रेकिंग मोमेंट, वेरी वेरी इवन फेयरफुल, एज आई वॉन्टेड देम टू इनपुट द एड्रेस, कि वो एड्रेस उसमें डाल दें. एंड so they had to take my phone as I watched them input the address dala, and took control of my device. They downloaded the GPS map and the GPS in my phone. To my astonishment, the stranger not only guided me, फिर भी orally भी वो guide कर रहा था, है ना, to how to use the map, because I was not tech savvy, and also went above and beyond to ensure that I reach safely by sharing his phone number. उसने phone number भी अपना दे दिया. कौन करता है ना कि जब आप पहुंच जाओगे आप फोन कर देना. He patiently explained the route, सारा रूट उसने explain किया. Pointed out the landmarks, वहाँ पे ये lights होंगे, ये fort होगा, whatever, some landmark, and even offered valuable service and advice for navigating the city in future. So आगे से अगर आप आओगे ना तो ऐसे करके आना. सो उसने ये भी बताया मेरे को. द पॉजिटिव आउटकम ऑफ दिस रिस्की डिसीजन लेफ्ट मी इनक्रेडिबली ग्रेटफुल एंड हम्बल. मतलब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा हम्बल्ड था और ग्रेटफुल फील कर रहा था. ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं सब लोग ऐसे होते हैं. वॉट कुड हैव बीन अ पोटेंशियली डिजास्टर्स सिचुएशन टर्न इनटू अ हार्ट वार्मिंग इनकाउंटर. मतलब बड़ा अच्छा लगा. And with a kind stranger, he was very kind, who restored my faith in humanity. I learned that sometimes taking risks, albeit calculated one, that means although calculated ones, calculated, can lead to unexpectedly positive results. This experience taught me to trust in the inherent goodness of people and to embrace uncertainty with an open mind and heart. So, if you want any coaching, evaluation, material from an examiner, then kindly DM me. Thank you and all the best. See you in the next video.